Will you travel to paint? Absolutely. I love it. In fact, I I paint very few murals. I live in Utah. I paint very few here. It's normally I'm traveling somewhere around the US. I've gone to Canada a bunch. I've gone to the Philippines, Cayman Islands. Um, I go all over and I love doing it. When I travel, I usually try to bunch up a couple of jobs in a certain area. So I would cover the travel in those instances. Um, if I can get a couple murals within an hour or two drive, then we're good. If I can't do that and you're on a time, have a short window of time and you want to pay travel, then I'll yeah, I'll work with you and we'll make it work.